this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can change the preset settings. You can see right now there's a standard going on. If you don't like it, you can just hold this and you can change the options over there, or you can set the auto preset, just tap there and you can select any other presets that you guys wanted to go. Like you can go to like cinematic, ultra slow mode. These are the video options that you guys can go, and you can customize a tweak by tapping on this pencil button. You can do for each of them. Let's go to standard for this time. I'm just going to hit on that pencil button and you can see that you can turn on the hyper smooth if you wanted to. So tap on hyper smooth and you can do like auto boost. Doing this, it will crop some frames of your video. Keep that in mind, guys. Yeah, you can put this like hyper smooth just like this on and it is good. And you can tweak the lens. You can go like hyper view or super view, a wide or linear. I like to use hyper view mode because it will capture much more areas. You can set the res to whatever you want it to, like 2K or 1080p even. You can see that I'm using 4K 60 FPS. Let's say you wanted to select like 30 FPS, tap on 30. You can see that you need to use this on auto mode only. Yeah, the hyper view, it doesn't work on 30. Okay, if you wanted to set this on 30, you need to use super or wide mode. Right now you can change the resolution like 5K or even 2K or 1080. You can check this aspect ratio. This is 4:3 and this is 8:7. Whenever you guys choose this, it will make your screen goes something like this. You can see that from full screen it have gone to this aspect ratio. You can still change this. I love to use 16:9 on 4K 60 FPS. I'm just going to use 60 FPS right now and going back, and you can see that GoPro automatically changed from hyper to wide right now. I'm just going to use hyper as well, and you can change the shutter speed as well. You can see this is a shutter speed. If you guys are using 60, you can go 120 and get those motion blur only if you guys have like those ND filter lenses. If you guys do have ND filter, you can use the setting, else you will need to use this like trail side, somewhere jungles or forest. You can select the bitrate. I have used this like a standard bitrate that it used my video size as low as possible. You can set this to like too much high. Yeah, it will it's like 120 megabyte per second. You can see that, and that's a very huge storage, so I just don't want it to bump that. All right, you can go with like 10-bit color as well if you wanted to. You can read that. You can see other settings like sharpness, color from natural to, you can put this to vibrant or very flat. Even you can use like flat. You can see that. Yeah, let me select this as a natural, and that's it, guys. This is how you guys can edit these video modes. I hope this video was helpful for you and editing it. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.